In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your front sway bar link on your Kia Sorento. Located behind the front wheels, let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to remove the wheel. Remove the wheel. Using a 17mm socket, we're gonna go ahead and remove that nut. I'm gonna go ahead and use a set of locking pliers. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the back of the sway bar. And this is just to hold the stud in place. If you are going to reuse the sway bar, make sure that you do not catch the boot because it will cause damage. Once you have the locking pliers in place, go ahead and remove the nut. And slide it out. Moving to the bottom of the sway bar link, we're gonna go ahead and remove this nut. We're gonna be doing the same thing with the locking pliers. We're gonna go ahead and put it in the back of it, making sure that if you are going to reuse the sway bar, you do not want to damage the boot. But in this case, because we're gonna be putting a new one, I'm gonna go ahead and lock it in place. Using a 17mm socket, we're gonna go ahead and remove the nut. Remove the locking pliers and slide your sway bar link. And now we're ready to install the new link. Before we go ahead and do it, when we install the new one, I'm gonna be using the locking pliers and I'm going to be locking on this metal ring that's right here. That's where I'm gonna be putting my tool to help me install the knot. That's just to keep the stud from spinning, because we are gonna be torquing this down. So just keep that in mind. Do not grab on the boot because it will damage the new link. Now we can get the new one on. We're gonna go ahead and slide the new one in. Start the knot by hand. And go ahead and lock the back of it. Only applying pressure to that metal ring that I previously showed. Go ahead and get this knot snug. Remove the locking pliers, and now we can move on to the top. Now we're gonna be doing the same on the top. Go ahead and line it up with the hole, slide it in, and using the locking pliers, go ahead and do the same. Remember, only on the metal piece. Start your knot by hand. And now get it snug. Remove the locking pliers. And now we're gonna go ahead and torque it to 87 foot-pounds. In this case, the stud is spinning, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the locking pliers to just hold it in place while I torque it. Remove it. And we're gonna be doing the same on the bottom. And now we're gonna go ahead and torque this down to 87 foot-pounds. Install the wheel, align the holes. Start your lug nuts by hand. And get them snug. With the vehicle on the ground, we're gonna go ahead and torque our wheel to 79.6 foot-pounds. And for that, we wanna make sure we do a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.